we're going to draw a little blue engine today. You can make yours any color that you want, but you know, a train engine is really just a bunch of shapes put together. Circles and rectangles and triangles all put together. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll turn my camera this way so that you can see. How's that? Hope you can see what I'm drawing. So we're going to start with a rectangle. You know, a rectangle has 4 sides, and we're going to put our rectangle kind of in the middle of our paper. It has 2 sides that are longer and 2 sides that are shorter. That's what a rectangle looks like. So that's the main part of our engine. And we're going to put the front part of our engine on, which is also like a rectangle. But on the end, instead of making a straight line, I'm going to curve it just a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little square up on top of that shape. That's where the engineer would sit. So we'll put a window in there, another little square. And the little blue engine was a steam engine, which means that he ran with coal that was burning, and it made steam as it chugged along. So we're going to make a little steam funnel coming out of the top here, kind of like an upside down triangle. And if you want, you can make some steam coming out of it. And then an engine has lots of wheels because it runs on a track. Wheels are just circles. So I'm going to put several wheels here on the back of the engine and on the front of the engine as well. And they're all connected by long skinny rectangles, so that when the wheels go round and round, these little rectangles go up and down and keep it moving. And on the front of our train engine, there's usually a triangular shaped, I'm not really sure what this part of the engine is for, but that triangle is usually on the front, so we're going to put that on there. And then this little blue engine had a bell. He had a bell that he rang when the little boys and girls and the little toy clown hollered out and waved to the other engines. They rang their bell. So we're going to put a little bell here. On the front of our engine. Now if you want to add some more cars, just make a couple of little rectangles and add some more squares or rectangles with circles on them. And then you can put whatever you want to in your little engine. You can put a clown. Some people don't like clowns. I think they're kind of funny. But if they bother you, you don't have to draw a clown. I'm going to give this clown a red nose and a big smile. And I'm just going to put him sitting here and waving. It's waving, thank you. Thank you for helping us. And maybe I'll put a doll or two in here. You can do that if you want to. Some good food to eat. Maybe I'll put a milk carton in here. Milk is good for you. maybe an apple. Whatever kinds of good food you can think of that you might want to put in. Maybe there's some presents in here. Put a bow on top of this present. And if you want to, you can draw a train track underneath your train. I make 2 long lines jumping over anything that I already drew. And then I might add the railroad ties. That's what these are called. They go right across the tracks here. You can add anything that you want to, but at the bottom of your picture I want you to write these really important words. I think I can. 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 And then, of course, sign your name at the bottom. This is your picture. You drew it, so make sure you sign your name. And then color it in. Here's the one that I drew before that's all colored in for you to see. And I colored mine in blue, just like the little blue engine in our story, the little engine that could. Until next time, boys and girls, bye-bye.